Hi Joke Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a tiger, but before we start I wanted to share with you a silly and cute joke about a tiger. So here we go. Why did the tiger lose at poker? If tigers play poker, right? But before I tell you the answer, let's draw this first. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper. Let's get started. To draw this awesome tiger, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another circle. So say about right here. Now that I have my circles in, let's come in here, make them draw so cute eyes. So add 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Now that we have those eyes in, let's come to the bottom right here in this area in the center, and we're going to draw the nose. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to go and give myself a little angle line on both sides. So start with a little angle. Then from there I'm going to round it off both corners and then bring it to the center and connect. So same thing over here. The shape that you want to try to create right there, and then in this area where it curves, I'm going to come right here and just kind of wobble a little bit inside in the center and then come out to connect. So it's almost like a heart, right? A very stretched out heart is what you're trying to draw right here for his nose. Then let's come back in here, this corner right here side. We're going to draw his nostrils. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the center that you've created, and we're going to bring a straight line down, about this much. Then from there, let's come out with a curve and out with a curve. Then we're going to curve all the way back to his nose area. So let's bring this nice and round right back here to his nose. So same thing, we're just going to aim about right there. Nice and round and back. There. And then at the bottom we're going to have to draw his chin area. So right here, the space you've created, let's go ahead and draw a curve to about right here. So round, curve, and connect. Now that we're done with the nose and the mouth, let's come back to the eyes. So if you want your tiger to be just a nice looking cute tiger, just draw a curve down. But if you want it to look more ferocious, you can add a curve up here that goes up and it's more slanted. So it's all up to you, but I'm going to make mine a nice tiger. So I'm going to bring a curve down to anchor the eyes. It all depends on what kind of tiger you want. There. And then now I noticed that when I come look at the mouth, let's angle this a little bit. Sorry, I think I made it too round. So let's angle this a little bit and then in. I think it's just more round with, like, say, a lion. And it's more straight with a tiger. So we're going to just make that a little bit straighter. Now come in here real quick and straighten that out. Just a subtle difference. There. From there, let's go ahead and frame his face in. So to make it a little bit easier, let's come to the top of your eye and come out. Say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. So you're just imagining this big tuft of fur all around. So same thing, say about right here, just like the other side. And I'm going to start to zigzag. So let's start with curve that comes down, up, down, up, and bring it around. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. So once again, curve. So you're just creating a curve with some zigzags inside to break it up. And one more. And then let's go up. Right here, we're going to go up and it's going to be narrower at the top. So right there, and I'll bring a point across. You know, it looks really weird right now, right? Doesn't look like a tiger yet, but I promise it will. So then now that we have that curve in, let's come about right here. And I'm going to start with this ear. So we'll go up and about right here, curve it in and down. So I'm stopping about right here because I'm just imagining this is still going through. So about right here, go ahead and draw a curve at the top. I'll drag this point across for the other ear, so about right here, and create the other ear. Just nice and round and bring it in. There. And then for some details, let's come in here and I'm going to come about right here, come down and zigzag maybe 2 tufts of fur. So same thing here, curve and in. Then from there, let's finish this part off. So I'm gonna bring the fur down right to this chin area. So let's come about right here, curve and bring it in just to finish it off. So same thing over here. There. Looks like a bobcat, huh? Not yet. After we put the markings in, we'll know it's a tiger. So then from there, let's draw, let's see here. Let's go draw the body before we put in all the details. So nice and thick and strong. Let's come about right here. Come right underneath the eye and the sides. Come right here and here. And I'm going to start to draw a curve. Comes down. There. And because the chest area is pretty low, I'll come to say about this area right here, right in the center. And I'm just going to zigzag some fur right here. Nice and low. Then from there, I'm going to use this as my guide, nice in the center. I'm going to draw 2 curves. So we're going to start the front legs and let's bring this down. So I'm getting thinner, narrower as we come down, and about right there I'll flare it out and curve out for the paw area. So then let's come in here. I'm just going to draw 4 curves. And same thing over here. Just bring this out, curve it about right there, and then bring this in. Nice thick front legs and then pop it out. And 4 curves. There. And then for some details, you can bring this in here, this curves. And then right here, you just draw a soft curve. And then the back legs. So nice and high. So say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop it out. And bring it in. Really close to the body. And once again, pop out a curve and in. Come in here for some details. Put in a little line right there. And so same thing on the other side. So about right here. Bring it down. And curve. Okay, so we have that, and then whatever space you have in here, just add a curve in between, and then the tail. So I'm going to pop in the tail right in this area. Just going to curve it a little bit thicker towards the end, and you round it off and go back in. There. Okay, so now we need to make it look like a tiger, right? The most important part. So let's come in here with a bunch of stripes. So there is no wrong or right way. There's so many different patterns, but I'll start, let's say about right here in the center. I'll just draw 2 curves. From there, let's come to the center. I'm just going to make mine nice and simple. Simple is best, right? So I'm just going to draw these 2 curves. And you can design your tiger however you want. So I'm just going to make maybe like 3 of these. The center one being the longest, and then 1 more. Just a small one here at the top to fill in the space. And of course, shade everything in. There. And then the sides right here, I'm going to come about around the eye area. Let's come about right here. Start with our first curve. And another one. And same thing here. So around the eye. And 1 more. And for the bottom stripes, let's come about right here. And just wiggle a little bit. Come back up, and same thing here. Just kind of going through, it's the center. Let's see here, maybe a shorter one here. Quickly do that, and we can add 1 here. And then the legs. Let's come about right here. It comes here. And then for the sides, you can do the same thing. Just come down, and you make the center one a little bit longer. So notice I'm kind of giving everything a little wobble. So it's not straight and sharp. There. And then for the tail, come right here for some stripes. And there. And so I'll come in here quickly and shade everything in. And so that is pretty much it for this tiger, and I need to add a heart and I have no idea where to put it. So I'll just stick one right here. So we have a very special tiger with a heart stripe right there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this tiger turned out and that I inspired you and made it fun and easy. So to answer the joke as to why the tiger lost at poker, well, it's because he was playing with a cheetah. Get it? So that kind of was perfect because if you love the tiger, hopefully you'll love the drawing of my cheetah. So check that one out as well. And I really hope you love both of them just as much. Thanks so much for watching. And if you love this really bad joke, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.